Celebrating my birthday in style at Julie Beans in Alsace, we popped a bottle of local cremant because what's a celebration without some bubbles, right? Our 5-course dinner began with a refreshing amuse-bouche of tomato on burrata, bursting with summer flavors. Our first course was trout from a local fish farm served two ways, showcasing the chef's finesse and respect for local ingredients. The next course was a delicate perch fillet paired with sauerkraut wrapped in a crepe with creamy Riesling sauce and a delicate crunchy element. This is one delicious dish and every component complement each other. Thus, we were instructed to have a bit of everything in one bite. The third course, fried langoustine on a flan with tandoori sauce, was fried to perfection, and the sauce had a nice savory kick to it. The langoustine tartare, on the other hand, was served separately. It was fresh and creamy. Our main course, roasted lamb rib, was tender, and the sauce, rich and savory. The lamb confit, on the other hand, was just as flavorful. For our dessert, hubby savored a beautiful raspberry creation too pretty to eat while I'll indulge in a decadent peanut butter and chocolate treat complete with a birthday cake. It was a night of incredible food, drinks, and a quiet and cozy ambiance with my favorite person. A birthday dinner to remember in the heart of Alsace.